Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about National Bird Day. National Bird Day is celebrated on 5th January. There are 9,800 species of birds in the world. Can you imagine future generations not able to see parrot in real life? So spread awareness and celebrate this day. Happy National Birds Day.
Hi everyone, I am Sugil from grade 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Tosin from grade 2.
Today I am going to talk about interesting fact in English. Can you believe that there is a word in English language for day after tomorrow, but it was never used. The word is overmorrow. Thank you.
Spoonfeed is the largest English with all its letters reverse alphabetical order.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் மகேஸ்வரன். நான் 1வது படிக்கிறேன். இளையார் ஆத்திச்சூடி ஒற்றுமை வெல்லும் கல்வி கற்கண்டு அனைவருக்கும் உதவி செய் எதையும் 3 பார் சமமே அனைவரும். நன்றி.
Hi everyone, my name is Danvik. I'm studying in first standard. Amazing. I will talk about safety measures. Don't play with sharp objects. Don't play with fire. Don't play on the stairs. Thank you.